one of the big challenges, and I'm interested to see this kind of application. I was told that one of the teams in Rwanda developed an application to test soil. This is a big challenge in agriculture, knowing the soil fertility, because we have blanket recommendations in terms of application of fertilizer. They'll say 60 kilograms of nitrogen, 50 kilograms of phosphorus, anywhere in Kenya, regardless of knowing the status. So one of the challenges we have as agriculturists is actually a quick tool which can enable the farmer know this is the status of my soil. Here I don't need to apply nitrogen. I just need to buy fertilizer which is phosphorus based, and this will be a big breakthrough. So as I said, then some of us, because we are not technology savvy, we fear just this. You know, I can tell you even up to now there are professors in the universities who cannot touch computers. What they do, they call the secretary, open this computer for me, download the email. It's printed, he writes in a pen, gives it back to the secretary and takes it back, just for the fear of that technology. And it's the same thing. I mean, you meet so many agriculturists. Why aren't you using this? Oh, I don't know this. I own WhatsApp. No, these things I don't want it, and all that kind of stuff. But if you train them a bit, you know, then it's not that hard as we thought. So again, I think this kind of forums, linkages with the practitioners will be a big avenue to raising awareness. Because the challenge is right now we even don't know per se like what applications are there. There are so many, because if I look at that, quite interesting ones, but have we made efforts to make sure that the practitioners know that these apps are there? And then of course, as I said, these forums, and I hear farmers coming, but even some of those other stakeholders like the cooperatives, they are big, the private sector is big, and those are guys who can quickly take up this. Of course, many governments now are having for example, extension systems within their systems, but the challenge is the narrow range of messages which are there. You'll find it's mainly the normal production systems. This is the way you plant, this is but nothing, for example, like accessing innovative financing. One of the challenges also, and this good Spencer talked about it, is farm organizations. We're also having this big challenge, because nowadays donors want you to account. So it's not just saying 50,000 farmers. They want them to be geo-referenced so that they can go out there and all that. So do we have these tools which can reference, tell gender of the farmer, type of acreage, type of crop, and all that kind of stuff. So I think those are some of the issues that we need to think about, especially the type of messages, the type of language that we use, and actually the need, the appropriate need or demand by stakeholders. Along the whole value chain, it's not just farmers, but just along the whole value chain, where do we fit ourselves?